Now, the next thing you should do naturally is plan your content strategy. Now, myself, and honestly 99% of the people just usually go into YouTube, like they upload their first video, they rush to create their first video, then they create it, and then they create the next one. And it's just really, it's that never-ending cycle of going from video to video. And obviously, it's like a natural way to go about things, of course. But what I would recommend to do is actually, before you even touch editing software or microphone or whatever, before you actually get to creating your videos, you actually do the research. And just like we did with the keywords, and we collected, a list of keywords, now you do the same, but you actually collect a list of video ideas. So for example, a video title and then a link to like a reference video or reference videos if you want to combine multiple videos. And you should really make a list, similar kind of a list, but with 30 video ideas, okay, at the very least. And so this is how you're gonna do it. So first of all, we can navigate to our Google sheet, and really a half of these should come from here, and obviously using or really somehow including every single keyword that is like the most searched for. I would say like anything, like for this approach, really any keyword that's below the 40,000 view like per month, that's like a no-no in my case. So obviously YouTube automation should be like the dominant part of the video ideas, again in my case, because it's simply the number one word, and then somehow combined with make money online. So well, let's actually look at the keywords and look for video ideas. So for example, how to make faceless YouTube videos. So the video or the keyword itself only has 37,000 views, but for example, faceless YouTube channel has 500,000 views, and it's obviously a part of this keyword, right? Or you should also keep in mind that your channel is brand new, and because everybody has their own style and everybody really creates their own videos at the end of the day, so you're not guaranteed to perform great, let's say in the YouTube automation keyword, but you might just crush it in the make money online keyword or in the faceless YouTube keyword, right? You just might find yourself in a slightly different format, packaging, or idea, and it's fine. You never because currently you're really at the testing stage, so it's okay to not just like niche down on one keyword. You could also again go to copy YouTube automation. You could go here, search for it, and you can also look here at related keywords. So draw inspiration here. You can then go to vidIQ, for example. You can click on YouTube automation, and we can literally go down and see the some of the best performing videos in this keyword. So we can take a look at all of them. So yet another way to get video ideas, you can actually go to incognito mode, like we already done in this video. So we can do that real quick. Now we can actually, I guess I'll just do a double screen. So let's do this, and then on here, let's go to YouTube, and here we can just kind of start. Well, first of all, we need to really build the data. As you remember, as of now, Google doesn't know who we are, what we want to search for. So immediately, let's start off by searching with the most popular word. And let's just click on some videos. I guess I'll just click on this guy. I think I know this YouTuber. So I'm actually gonna mute this. I'm gonna let it play in the background so that YouTube thinks that I'm actually interested in this video. So I'm actually gonna let this play in the background, and so yeah, YouTube thinks I actually watched it. And let's search for some more keywords. So let's say how to start YouTube automation could be a great video idea, right? So let's search for that. All right, so let's start another tab. Let's search for maybe faceless YouTube channel. As you can see, we're already starting to see on our homepage, YouTube automation ideas. So, all right, we can already work with that. So first of all, now we can also open YouTube in the home tab. So now here's the situation. First of all, we can already look for inspiration on the home tab, although it's probably not enough data just yet. As you guys can see, my channel is truly dominating this niche. Like I'm already popping out here. I wouldn't be surprised if we see another one of my videos soon somewhere. But anyway, and remember guys how earlier in the course I told you that think of it as like an ecosystem, and your goal is to just overtake and dominate this ecosystem. I think I've achieved this goal, and it illustrates it perfectly, because again, we just search for YouTube automation and my videos are just all over the place. That's like a clear indicator of of at least a minor success in this niche, and it is only achievable by using these similar keywords. But again, you can just scroll on here and look for ideas. Another cool way to kind of look for like specifically relevant ideas, we can search by view count, and we can maybe search, let's say, by the last month. Or if you search by the month, the results might be inaccurate depending on your niche. So if your keyword like is kind of too broad, it might just show you weird results. Then you might search in the last year or so. So let's try that. So but let's actually continue looking within the last month. So for example, YouTube automation with AI. Yeah, so it could actually be a great idea. And in fact, I just realized that this guy stole this idea from me. He literally copy pasted my video, like this video to be exact. So yeah, as you can see, people that with the channels, that are twice my size are stealing from me. So that's yet another indicator of dominating a niche. When people steal from you, like, you're truly number one. But I'm just saying, like, so if that's ever happening to you, that's amazing. Although that's not really amazing that people are stealing, but that's the reality of it. But yeah, so you really just want to look for ratios. So for example, let's look at this ratio. How many subs does she have? She has 60k subscribers, and she's got 60k views in 2 weeks. That would be an amazing video idea to, kind of have reference copy, not copy, but like get inspired by. You don't actually want to just like copy straight, like just copy paste videos like he did, for example, up there. It's just, you're going to be seen as a copycat. Like, it's not good. But you do that until you have about 15 video ideas or so. And then I'm about to show you yet another way to get video ideas. All right, so now I'm going to show you yet another way to do research on YouTube, to look for trending videos using vidIQ. Now, I'm so sorry about this, guys. It is actually in Russian. I couldn't figure out how to actually switch it to English. My YouTube, everything is in English. Location is United States. I'm not sure why would it switch to Russian. But anyway, on the left side here, if you have vidIQ plugin installed and you actually have the paid plan activated with my link, by the way, you can try it out for $1 for the first 30 days. Keep that in mind. On the left side, you're going to click right here. It's going to say in English probably most viewed or highest viewed, something like that. So you're going to click here. And basically, this is actually insane. Basically, YouTube provides vidIQ API data, and we can actually see how our video is performing in real time. So as you can see at the top here, I already have a tag, a search for, but let's just remove it and see what it's, or I mean, let's just, yeah, so that's, I guess, default. And so right here, it says when the video was uploaded, and I did select last 7 days. So basically, as we can see, some videos, for example, posted by a channel with 6,000 subscribers. So yeah, so a channel with 6,000 subscribers is doing 400,000 views per hour and 11 million views. I guess it's a branch. What? Okay, this is actually insane. I'm not sure if these views are real, but yeah, okay, this is interesting. But let's look at something more. Okay, if by default, as we can see, this is weird, and you wouldn't need this on default anyway. So let's actually apply YouTube automation tag, something that is relevant. And right here it says again, upload. When was it uploaded? So let's say I want to see the videos that were uploaded in the last 7 days. And so this is how you can get insane information, right? So well, to keep it even more condensed, on the right side here, we can actually choose amount of subscribers. So the very first one is means amount of subscribers, and right here we're actually going to select between 1 to 10,000. So I think that's kind of that perfect ratio. Basically, if we can identify channels that are within this range, that are trending very well, like, this is a clear indicator that, this is a good video idea to perhaps implement. So for example, well, those are they're getting 11 views per hour, but they're getting 200 views. So that's whatever. I mean, this would be an interesting channel to model, or a video idea. Create your own monetizable finance channel with AI. Okay, so that's clearly in demand. 2,000 subscribers 3 days ago, 1,000 views. So that's actually a good view to subscriber ratio for this niche and for the channel that size. But I guess we can maybe look for the last 30 days, okay? Because it's a relatively small niche. So I made some adjustments because I was not really finding any great results. And so if I was myself, for example, looking for video ideas, right now I just found 5 video ideas. So let me explain. First of all, what did I change? I removed basically the subscriber count. So I did set it to 1 to 10k. I set it to 10 to 100k. subs. Didn't really find anything trending. It's just maybe specific to the YouTube automation niche. So instead what I chose here, so this is going to be the fourth, it's the views, just regular views tab, and I chose over 100,000 views and the last 6 months as well. So we can see here from Digital Income Project, it was this video he dropped it a month ago. It's doing 300 views per hour, and it's called "I tried faceless YouTube automation for a year," basically. And actually I haven't done this like a video titled this way, so this would be an amazing video for myself to get inspiration from. And it's just trending, it's performing very well. So, or how to make a talking animated avatar with AI tools would be also an amazing video idea to implement. And these two as well, like that's how you kind of find it. Basically, again, go right here, most viewed, and play around with these settings. Again, depending on your niche, you might find successful videos if you sort them by the amount of subscribers. You might find success in finding great videos if you sort by views or just the time frames. So play around also with different keywords. Go back to your Google Sheet, paste the keywords here, see what's trending, paste like at least 50 keywords to really see all the options that you have. And really, I guess we're wrapping this chapter up at this point. By now, you should have your full list of keywords. Your channel should have your keywords installed. You should have a list of keywords or a keyword preset for your videos. And of course, at this point, you should be really having you should have around 30 video ideas that have proven to work. Or let's put it this way, you should at least have 25 video ideas that are just evergreen, proven to work. Just copy paste someone's video if you have to. And then also do 5 video ideas, but be creative. Just use creative freedom. You never know what's going to work out. I'm not encouraging you to just copy, but for the most part, at least with your first batch of videos, yeah, you want to just do what works, and you're just going to position yourself better that way.